Welcome to Your Maintenance.
Minutes.
We are here to talk about fifth wheel maintenance. So, fifth wheel, don't I just throw some grease on it and it's good?
Definitely wintertime and summertime, grease needs to be applied to the fifth wheels. If those fifth wheels get dry and we have slippery conditions, 9 times out of 10, if that fifth wheel is dry and you go to turn a corner, that trailer is actually going to push the tractor and not allow it to turn.
Okay. Can you explain, it will push the truck?
It will push. It will not allow the truck to steer if you are on slippery surfaces. Absolutely.
Wow. How much grease is too much grease?
There's never too much grease. I will state, when you're doing your pre and post trip inspections, if you do not have a trailer connected to your tractor, basically do your visual inspection. If there's excessive amount of grease in the jaws and you do get extremely cold temperatures, that's not going to allow our air release fifth wheels to work properly. You might have a hook situation when you're doing your tug test, which I hope you're doing every pre and post trip inspection, and have a tractor trailer separation because of that stiff cold grease.
So winter versus summer, what differences are there?
The underside of the fifth wheel structure, with our equipment being air release for the majority of our fleet, it's also good to keep it lubed. White lithium grease, PB Blaster, some kind of lubricant that you can spray on the underside of the fifth wheel where the cam plate and the air cylinder for the release are located.
Thanks all for joining this Maintenance Minute about fifth wheel maintenance.
Again, thank you.